Hi, Shreya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Are you practicing our programs daily?
Yeah, I've been practicing them.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, you have sent me a snap of that strong number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Will you? I'm checking that code. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You have once open your strong number code here. You have given n value here and did that sum, but you have not maintained any backup value here. And also to do an iterations, you have to increment the n value, right? You have not incremented the n value. I have done for you.
Okay.
I'll show you. Right. Okay. I'll try to. Okay, this is a perfect, I think. Did you see? I'm getting my strong numbers here. Here,
Okay.
you did not taken any increment value here. You have done all the values correct only, but you have not taken increment and also you have not maintained any backup value here. In our normal strong number, to find whether it is strong or not, we are maintaining a backup number and we are comparing with that backup number. But here we are going to increment our n because n, right. So
Yeah.
you should not do any operations with n here. You have to maintain a backup like this, and with the help of that backup only, you have to do all the operations. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And you can increment n here. If you use n here instead of using bkp, if you use n here, then your incrementation will get disturbed. Okay, it will not
Okay.
go from 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. It will not go like that. Here you will get here you will get an that n value now. From this n value only it will get incremented. So your code will get disturbed. Okay, so you have to
Okay.
use a backup number like this, and you can do the program. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Other than this, what are the doubts you have?
Yeah, it's just the strong number.
Yeah, strong number. Did you this is a strong, right? First of all, I'll try to rename this. I'll rename. Okay. You did not understand this program now?
Yeah, now I understand it.
You understand? Okay. If you try by yourself, then you will get you can get easily understand. Okay.
Okay.
You have to sit and you have to do dry run. You can take a white sheet and you can do in that. Okay. If you had any
Okay.
problem for doing here, you can take a white sheet and you can do there. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to today's class. Coming to today's class, we have done while loop and also for loop, right? We can
Yeah.
do programs in while and for also. We can do the same program in while and for. I'll try to do a program in for loop. Let's make it a difference between a while loop and for loop. I will do the same programs in while and for. I will check for the output. Okay.
Okay.
For difference between while and for. I will do the same program. Okay.
Okay.
I will try to add 1 to 1000 numbers the same program in for loop and while loop. Take I equal to 1 and is equal to 0. Here there is no need to declare the first value in for loop. So for range of 1 common, I'll add 1000 numbers. Simply s is equal to s plus I. Right? Let's see the output. What will it? I got 49 to 5000 because
Shouldn't you
I
print
got
I?
no. I is what is I means? I means numbers from 1 to 9999. Okay,
Okay.
because for loop will not take upper bound, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that. I am taking up to 10. What is the output then?
Oh, you're taking some. Okay. Okay. I thought you're taking 1, 2, 3, like listing on numbers.
I'm doing some. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is the output of sum of first 10 numbers 1 to 10? What will be the output? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus like that.
Uh,
We will get 55. Okay.
okay.
Okay. We will get 55 only now. If you want to
Yeah.
check, you can check.
Yeah. Yeah. It's 50.
50. I got 45. Why? Because
Because it's 9, not 10.
yeah, for loop will take values up to 9 only because I have used 10 here. Now I will take 11. Let's see the output. Did you say I got now 55? Because now it will take up to 10, 1 to 10. Okay.
Okay.
The same way, if I want to use 1000, I want to use 1000. I should take here 1001 like this. Okay. If you want to use 10,000, I have to take 10,001 like this. Okay.
Okay.
So value here 10 lakhs, right? This is 10 lakhs, right?
Yeah.
10 lakhs. Let's see the output. Okay, I got an output of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5, 5 zeros and 5, 5 zeros. Let's do the same program in while loop. First of all, I have to take I value here only in while loop. Okay, we have done it already. Sum of natural numbers. Okay, while
Okay.
I is less than or equal to, we have taken 10 lakhs, right? To get 10 lakhs, 10, 0, 2, 3. Use 10 lakhs only. S equal to, what I have to calculate?
S plus 1.
Plus 1. Why I have to take 1?
Because it has to be incremented.
Should not get incremented, okay? I should get incremented. Here I have taken I know. Why my S should get incremented? I should get sum here. Sum plus S plus I. I should get each value here and it should be added. Okay. If I get 1, it should be added with 2 and again 3 plus 4 plus 5 like this. It should be happen. Okay.
Okay.
Already we have done this program. This one. This is incrementation. This is incrementation. Okay. Now I will try to print. Yes. I got the same output here. Okay.
Yeah.
Why you then why you, if I getting the same output, why I have two different loops here, while and for?
Because for loop you have to they're lesser code
Code.
compared to
Okay. It is one of it is also one point. Based on requirement and based on conditions, we have to use. We should know where we have to use which loops. Okay. Based
Okay.
on the requirement and conditions, we have to use while and for loops. By practicing more and more, you will get to know for what program, which loop we have to use. Okay.
Okay.
And which is fastest, while or for?
For loop.
How you are able to say that for loop is fastest?
The shorter code so it takes lesser time to execute.
Oh, okay. I will show you some difference way. I will calculate the time. Calculate the time for that execution. Let's see which code is executing first. Okay, which
Okay.
code is taking less time to execute the program. Okay,
Okay.
for that Python has given us a module called time. Here you can see we have a module called time. Start equal to time dot time. Simple. And after the program, I will end my time. End equal to time dot time. Okay, before starting the program, I am taking some time. After
Okay.
getting the program, I am taking another time for execution. Now I am printing the total time taken. Okay,
Okay.
total time will be n minus start. You understand?
Yeah.
The difference between these two times can get our execution time, right?
Yeah.
The difference between end time and start time, we can get the execution time of this program. I will try to use the program. See, sorry, I got 0.26. Let's take some more bigger number. 1, 2, 3. Total I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 zeros. Total I am taking 9 zeros. Okay. 1,
Okay.
9 zeros. Now I'll try to use. Was running. Just taking more time. Let's reduce the zeros. Okay.
Okay.
I'll try to take only 8 zeros. Sorry, 7 zeros. Yeah, I got my total time as 1.821. Okay.
Okay.
The same thing, let's do it in our for loop also. Okay.
Okay.
I will import time here and I will start my time here. And I will end my time after the execution of program, after printing the output. And I will print total. Did you see? Okay, I have taken only less numbers here. That's why the last number should be taken as 1 because it will not take the upper one. Did you see? It has taken only 1.02, but while it has taken 1.77. You understand why we are taking the time difference between the two loops here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. In the same way, you have to do the program based on your requirements, and also if anyone gave you a project, you have to do your project in an efficient way. Okay.
Okay.
By that only you can survive in this market. Not you can't survive in this market. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go to a new topic called list here. Okay.
Okay.
List. I'll try to take a list. List will take list. It is used to store heterogeneous values. Heterogeneous means, do you know the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous?
Homogeneous is the same state and heterogeneous is different states.
Yeah. Homogeneous means same and heterogeneous means different. In the same way, we have different types of data, right? String,
Yeah.
integer, complex, like that. We have different types of data types. List can take different types of data types. That means it will take integer, it will take it will take strings, it can take complex numbers, it can also take float values, right? Decimal numbers.
Okay.
I'll try to print my list. Okay, my list printed here. I want to print each value from the list. For I in X, I want to print my X. Okay, sorry, I have to print my I here. I'm taking each value from the list, right? I'm giving, I'm taking my values as I here. Okay, now I will print I. I got, see, I got my list here. Okay.
Okay.
If I try to print type of I, will it be printed or not? Let's see. Okay, it is also printing. See, my I is my 1 is integer and Shreya is a string and 1 plus 2j is a complex and 11.3 is a float. Okay, Python has given different types of functions and all. Simply you can use it. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever the thought you got in your mind, you can implement in our programs and you can get the output. If you have any errors, clearly it will explain you where you got errors and all. By that, by seeing that, you can rectify your errors and you can get the output. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I want to print the index of these values. That means the positions of these values are called as index. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Print. I want to print the position of 2. Sorry. 1 plus 2j. I want to print the index of 2. Here, what is the what is in place of 2?
Shreya.
Share. But I got 1 plus 2j. I got a complex number because here in list it is considered from 0, 1, 2, 3. It is considered from x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is Shreya, and x of 2 is a complex number, and x of 3 is a decimal number. Okay. In this way, it will take the values. Okay.
Okay.
Then and Rama take that. I will give another value before this one. 50. You see, my index of x index of 2 has changed to Shreya because the position has came here. X of 2 is Shreya, x of 0 is 15, x of 1 is 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to add data into my list. I want to add data into my list. For that, what I have to do? I have a command called append. X dot append of 100, and I will print my list. You see, 100 added to my list here.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got that 100. I got my 100 in my list. Okay. Now
Okay.
I will try to insert. I don't want if I use append, then it will automatically it will go to the last one and it will get added. But I want to add in between these in between these list values. Before
Okay.
Shreya, I want to add another name. What I
Okay.
have to do? For that,
Uh,
add a command called insert. Insert. First of all, I have to give a position for that. That means index position, and whatever the thing you want to add in your list, you can give here. I want to add Sita. Did you see? I got before Shreya, I got Sita here. If I
okay.
want to add a data in a specific place in between that list, I don't want to add at the end. I want to add in the middle of my list. If I know the index value, simply I can add it there. Okay, to add
But
like that,
if you chose version 2, shouldn't be in place of 1, like before 1.
want to place before one.
No, because you chose version 2, right? So shouldn't be before 115, then Sita, then 1 Shreya.
Not position, it is an index value. Okay, here you can see this here. It is an index value. Okay,
Okay. So
what is the index value of 15?
it's 1.
0. That is what I am
Oh,
saying.
started from 0. Okay, okay.
It will start from 0, 1, 2 like that. Okay, then the
Okay.
index value, what is the index value of Shreya here?
That's 2.
2. But I am giving a data using an index value 2 as Sita. Now it will get replaced. It will not get replaced, but it will get inserted in place of 2, and Shreya will move to the third index.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I want to remove that complex number. For that, what I have to do means x dot. I have another field called remove 1 plus 2 j. Did you see? There is no complex number in my list here. To remove a specific data in my list, I can use this remove. Okay, I can use this remove. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is another function called. Did you see? These are all functions of list only. Okay. Maximum you have functions of list here. Let's talk it later. The required one. Okay. I want to pop. Simply, I will use x dot pop. What will happen? Let's see. Once observe the. This is our actual list now. Okay. Observe the list. Okay. Observe the list and try to know the difference. Okay. I am using x dot pop from this list. So forget this list. Okay. Now
Okay.
this list has updated like this. Okay.
Okay.
What happened?
The 1 plus 2j is removed.
So, actually, we had appended 100 at the end of our list, right? Now there
Yeah.
is no 100 in our list because pop function is used to remove or delete the last number in the list. Okay.
Okay.
Last index value in the list. It will remove the last index value in the list. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to find the index value of this decimal number. How you can find the index value of the decimal number means simply you can use a variable x dot index of 11.3. What will be the index of 11.3 here? What will be the index of 11.3?
4.
4. Let's see. Yeah, 4 is right. We got 4 here. Like this, we have different types of functions in list only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I want to let's do a program. I want to find a maximum number in my list. For that, what I have to do? I am taking homogeneous values now. It will take list will support heterogeneous values also, but now I am taking just homogeneous values to find the maximum number. 10, 4, like just random values. I'll try to print maximum number. For that, I have a function called max of what? Maximum number of what is the value I have to take here? Max of
X.
x. See, I got my maximum value here. Simply, I got my maximum value here. Okay. But
Yeah.
I don't want to use that max function here. The interviewer or someone will ask, but no, don't use that max and print the biggest number. For that, what I have to do means I will compare my first number with each and every number. If it was first of all, I will try to write the logic and I will explain it. Okay. Big is equal to, I am assuming that my first number is big. I am assuming. Okay. For I in X, if big is less than I, print, I'm sorry, then big equal to print big. Did you see? I got 15 again. I'll give instead of 15, I'll give 16. 16. I got my 16 here. Without using that max function, I am getting my biggest value. How means?
But isn't using the max function lesser code?
Yeah, you can use the max function, but just I am telling that without using max. If you went to some interviews, they will ask you, no, I don't want to use that max function, but I want that big number. How you will do? Then you should do this program. Okay. You should think an alternate program for each and every logics. Okay, for you have to think alternate logic for each and every program. Okay, you should not stick to only one logic and one loop. Okay, one condition. Okay, you have to think in different angles. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This is my list. What is the value of x of 0?
2. So 1. 1.
1. Where is 1 here in the list? It was asking index of 0 index number. That means 10. Okay. What is the position of 4 here? Index. What is the index value of 4?
2.
2, right? Then what is the value of 10 here? What is the index of 10 here?
0.
0. See, x of 0, I will get 10 only, right?
Yeah.
For I in x, that means it was taking each and every number here. Okay. Big I already have 10. It was taking 10. Is it true? 10 is less than 10.
No.
No.
Okay.
Again, it will go here. It will compare with the second number. 10 is less than 0. True?
No.
Next number 4.
No.
No. 16.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, true. Now we'll take the big value as 16.
But what if there's another big number after 16? For example, 16 is there. 17 also.
After 16 we have 17.
Yeah. Like if in the first comment.
Yeah, let's go to. Again, it will not print that big, okay? It will
Okay.
rotate this loop, okay?
Okay.
Now the big value is 16 here, okay?
Okay.
Here the 10 is replaced with 16, right? My big value
Yeah.
became 16 here. Now it will
Okay.
compare with 7. It will not get out of the loop. Again, it will rotate in the loop only. In for loop has that power, okay? It will
Okay.
compare like this, okay? Is it true or false?
True. Sorry, false.
False. So it will go to the next number. 14. True or false?
False.
False. So the value which is stored in the big is 16. Then it will get printed, okay?
Okay.
Right. You are asking like if I had 17 after 16, it will print 17. You understand?
Yeah.
Again, let's come from 16. After that, after comparing 16, the 10 is replaced with 16, right?
Yeah.
Now it will go to 17. It is true. Then it will get into this loop and the 16 number is replaced with 17 now. The 17 value is stored in this big. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now it will compare with again this 17 value is compared with this 14 and it is false. So the big value 17 will be printed. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Mm, okay. We have done different types of programs and all. Let's try to do some real-time related project. I mean, some real-time related program. For example, let's take a vegetable market. Okay, I want
Okay.
to. If I went to some, for example, I went to some market, vegetable market, and he asked me, "Hi man, what you are doing?" And all. I said that I am a software engineer and all. Okay, you are software engineer, right? Then can you make me a program of my vegetable market and can you give me? He will ask like, as a software engineer, I have to do it, right?
Okay.
I should. So let's try to do a program based on that vegetable market. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. BG, right? BGI. Whatever. Okay. Here, there is a requirement. He was asking like, I had these many kgs of different types of vegetables with different quantities and also different prices. Okay,
Okay.
I should get an automated service in my vegetable market. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Just he was asking to manage his inventory. How many vegetables are there in my inventory and how many are selling, and at final day, at the end of the day, how in which quantities my vegetables uh, are there in my inventory. He was asking for that requirement. Let's take different types of vegetables or fruits. Tell me what are the vegetables you like. We'll take that vegetables only. Tell me three different types of vegetables.
Carrot, potato, onion.
Same way, I have to take the quantities of these three vegetables.
Okay.
I had 10 kgs of carrot, 15 kgs of potato, and 7 kgs of onion. In the same way, I have to take price of these vegetables. I will take carrot as 40 and potato as 25 and onion as 15. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, he will ask for item equal to who are the when customer approaches me, I will ask what is what do you want, like that. Okay.
Okay.
What you want. If if my if he asked for if he asked for brinjal, what I have to say? If he asked for brinjal, some customer came me and asked for a brinjal, what I have to do?
Okay. It's not there. So
Yeah. If the item is in our list, if item is in our vegetables, then I have to do something else. If it is not there, I want to say that what I have to say?
it is not there.
We do not have that item.
Okay.
Okay, we do not have it. If it is there, what I have to ask him? If it is there,
How much quantity he
yeah,
wants?
yeah, very good, very good. Int how much you want? How much quantity do you want? Right?
Yeah.
Then I should calculate the amount, right?
Yeah.
I should calculate the amount equal to price of. How can I know the price of that carrot and all. If we asked for carrot, how can I know that price of carrot?
0. Index 0.
Yeah, very good. I should know the index value first. So simply I will take ADX. ADX into amount price of that carrot into what I have to do with what I have to
Quant.
multiply to get.
Quant.
Yeah,
Quant. Quantity.
what I have to print now?
Current amount.
Boss, please pay amount. Let's see what will happen. Some customer came me and asked for what do you want. I am asking bring the. We do not have that item and came out. And again I
Okay.
am running my program. He asked for carrot. Did you see? He was asking how much quantity do you want? Okay, I had 10 kgs, right?
Yeah.
I will ask for 5 kgs. I got an error here. Yeah, I got an error here because IDX is not defined. It is saying that IDX is not defined. Let's see. Before that, I think we have to define that index, right? Directly we have used that index, but we have to define that index. IDX is equal to which dot index of item. Here we failed again. We have given I have done a program and I have given to the vegetable market and I got an error here. Again he called me and he was saying that boss I am getting an error. What you have to then again I have to do some modification. This process
Okay.
is called agile methodology. Okay, this process is called agile method. I'm I'm uh, I'm talking about real time scenarios. Okay, in real time scenarios, this is the process will be happened. Okay, and again I will try to run the server, and I will ask for carrot. I want 5 kgs. Did you see? Boss, please pay 200.
Okay. Yeah.
That right? Correct only. 200. The cost is 200
Yeah.
or more than that. Yeah, it is perfect, right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it should not we can't we can run the program in our machine, but the uh, vegetable market will the person will always can't go to this current file and he will not run the server, right? For that what I have to
Yeah.
do, I should make an infinite loop, right?
Yeah. While true.
Yeah, keep my program in while will ask for print job, saying that we do not have that item, and again asked for again By using while loop, it went to loop. So it was asking, what do you want? Again, I asked for carrot. How much quantity do you want? I need 5 kgs. Okay, I paid 200. And another customer came. How many kgs left in my list? How many in my inventory? Again, he asked for carrot. Already I have sold 5 kgs now. More, how many kgs are left in my inventory?
5 more kgs.
5 more kgs. But the second customer is asking for 6 kgs. But it calculated for 6 kgs and he was asking to pay the amount of 240. What it has to say? It should not be, there is no stock in our inventory, but it has saying if he asks for 6 kgs, our program is billing for that and asking for money. Is that perfect?
Yeah.
Again, the customer, again the vegetable market will ask me for this issue. Again, I will take the program and again I will try to modify the program. Now, if I don't have that much quantity, I need to say that, boss, there is no that much quantity in my inventory, like that. I should pass some message. For that, what I have to do means, if quantity of index is greater than or equal to the required quantity, then it will enter into this loop. Else, will say we don't have that much quantity, comma q. I'll try to rerun again. Okay. I need potato. 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 How much quantity do you want? I need 10 kgs. It calculated and gave me the value of 10 kgs here. And again, another customer came. He was asking about for potato only. He was I want 10 kgs. But how many kgs are left over in my inventory? Already I have sold 10 kgs of potato.
5 kgs.
5 kgs. But the next customer is asking for 10 kgs. Let's again, it was saying that please pay 250. Let's see, there is an error here. If quantity of index is greater than or equal to q, let's try to rerun it. Yeah, we don't have that much quantity, 50. Okay.
Okay.
The customer came and asked for 50 kgs of carrot, but I had only 10 kgs here. Okay. Okay. Do you understand the program here?
Yeah.
Now, this will continue until we come out of the loop, right? For that, what you have to do means C equal to put to you want to close the shop. Yes or no. If he says yes, if he says yes, like this. If he says yes, print shop is closed. After that, what I have to do? I have closed the shop. Is there any requirement to run the loop again?
No.
No. For that, what I have to do? I should come out of the loop.
Break.
For that, what I have? Yeah, break. I need onion and I want how much quantity do you want? I need 5 kgs and the cost of 5 kg is 75 and he was asking to close the shop or not. I don't want to close the shop. Okay. Sorry, I have not returned else here. If ch is equal to else, I will break here. Ch is equal to oh sorry like this. What do you want on here? 75. I don't want to close the shop. The loop again rotated. If else, it will again rotate the loop. Okay. Again, I need
Okay.
onion. I need 5 more kgs. Again, it is asking to pay 75. I don't want. I want to close the shop. It came. Shop is closed, and I came out of the loop. But there is some difference here. Here, first of all, I asked for 5 kg onion, right? It was showing to pay 75, but I had only 7 kgs. Again, it was if I type if I want another customer came and asked for 5 kgs of onion. Again, it was showing that 75. This should not be happen, right?
Yeah.
Yes. For that, what I have to do means if I sell that quantity, I should remove the quantity from my list. I should subtract the sold quantity from my list. Quantity of X equal to my quantity will become minus Q. My quantity will become minus. Okay. Now
Okay.
I will try to again. You want onion. How much quantity you want? I need 5 kgs. I don't want to close my shop. And it was asking, another customer came and I am asking, what do you want? He was asking for onions only. And he also want 5 kgs. Now, did you see? We don't have that much quantity 5. Now, our project is working perfectly. Our program is working perfectly. Okay.
Okay.
And if you he want to close the shop, I came up. But the requirement of that owner is to manage the inventory, right? The first thing we have what the first why we have agreed that on what purpose we have agreed that that condition to take the project is to the requirement of the owner is to manage the inventory, right? At the end
Yeah.
of the day, he should know how much quantity is there in his inventory. So I need to print how much quantity is there in his inventory. Print veg list and print quantity. I have now the person want carrot. How many kgs? How many kgs you want?
5.
5. How many kgs we had?
10.
Yeah. What will be the remaining kgs now for carrot?
5.
5. Remember that one. And another person came and asked for potatoes. Oh, what? Oh, sorry.
No, what do you want?
Another question asked for potato. Another customer came and asked for potato. How many kgs of potato do you want?
15.
Kgs? Okay, 15 kgs. And another customer came and asked for onion. Oh, sorry. First of all, I have to print no, right? Okay, onion. Another customer came and asked for onion. How many kgs do you want?
6.
6. Okay, he was asking for money and he paid for money. Now, what will be the remaining quantity in my inventory? Calculate once.
5 carrots, 0
5
potato, and 1 onion.
0 potato and 1 kg onion. Let's see.
Yeah.
I want to close the shop. Before closing shop, I need to know how much quantity is there in my shop. Did you see? I had 5 kgs of carrot, 0 kgs of potato, and 1 kg of onion. Do you
Okay.
got the? But we can know, okay, carrot is 5 kgs, but potato is 0, onion is 1 by comparing the list. But the vegetable market owner, he was not educated. He is an illiterate. He don't know how to
Okay.
find the. He don't know how to compare. For that, our Python gave a module called zip. Zip function will get together both the values. Let's see, for item in zip veg quantity. Print item. I want carrot 10 kgs and I want to close the shop. Did you see?
Oh, okay.
I have sold the carrot and I have closed my shop and my my inventory is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just we had written a small program based on a vegetable market. We can also extend this program up to how much amount he was getting, how much the profits he are getting, how much loss he was getting. Like this, we can do. We can extend our program to a great extent. Okay. Just we
Okay.
have discussed a small thing and we have written these 25 lines of code, almost 25 lines of code. If we want to do some more extent, it will go to 2 to 300 lines of code also. It will go to 2 to 300 lines of code. Okay. Like
Okay.
this, have to think on your own and you have to write the logics and all. Okay. Simply,
Okay.
the thing is you have to use different types of modules and functions which are hidden in our Python. This is the
Okay.
new thing you have learned today, right? Zip is the new word you are seeing today.
Yeah.
And also some more index also you have seen today. Practice this this okay. This part will get somewhat confusion. Okay. If you practice more and more, you will get a clarity on this, and also you can ask me if you not understand anything here. Okay.
Okay.
You understand today's class? If not, I will
Yeah.
explain you tomorrow. Practice it more and more. Okay.
Okay.
Have you? I think I have asked you a logical question in the previous class,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, you asked me.
Have you cracked it?
Yeah, I think so. I did. So basically, he has 4 bottles of milk and 1 rat, and it has 14 hours to tell whether it's poisoned or not. So the 4 bottles I would divide into 2 groups, Group A and Group B.
24 hours.
And
He has 24 hours. Okay.
yeah,
Uh,
so I'll divide the bottles into 2 groups, A and B. So in the
okay.
first group is bottle 1 and 2, and group 2 is 3 and 4. So first, I will mix the milk from bottle 1 and 2 and feed the rat and see it for the first 7 hours. So if I don't see any reaction in the rat, it means that the poison is in the group 2, which is from bottle 3 or 4. Then I'll mix the then I'll try the milk from one of the bottle. For example, bottle 3 I'll feed. If the rat is alive, it means the bottle 4 is poison. So he can drink from bottles 1, 2, and 3.
But he need to drink 3 bottles of milk.
Yeah, he can drink from bottles 1, 2, and 3 if bottle 4 is poisoned.
Not if the bottle 2 is poison.
Yeah, in the first 7 hours, I mixed 1 and 2, right? The first 7 hours, I mixed milk from 1 and 2 and gave it to the rat.
Take
If the
10
rat
hours
hasn't
to.
failed,
No. It will take 10 hours to get the output, right? It will take
14
10
hours,
hours
you
to.
told me 14
No.
hours.
The question is from my side. It will take 10 hours
Okay,
to get whether the bottle is poisoned or not. It will take 10 hours time to know the result. Okay. I've
okay.
said that on the day after said that it will take 10 hours.
Yeah, okay, fine. 10 hours also, you mix, I'll mix the milk from bottle 1 and 2 and then feed it to the rat. So by the end of 10 hours, if the rat is alive, it means the poison is from bottle 3 or 4. So I'll put milk from bottle 3 first. If the rat is dead, it means bottle 3 is poisoned. If it's still alive after 10 hours, it means bottle 4 is poisoned. So total, yes, it takes
It will
20
take
hours for the rat.
20 hours, right?
20 hours. Yeah, but
Okay.
the person has 24 hours.
Do you think on your own or you have taken help of your relatives and all like
No,
that?
no, no, I thought of my own.
But you can also think this logic in a different way. If you feed the rat, if you suppose you have 24 hours time, right? From
Yeah,
today 8 o'clock to tomorrow 8 o'clock.
okay,
Okay, morning 8 o'clock. The next day morning 8 o'clock. I will feed a bottle of milk, some 1 cup of bottle 1 milk to rat at 8 o'clock.
okay,
Okay, I'll give an hour gap. I'll give a 1 hour gap, and I will feed with the another bottle.
okay,
And with 1 hour gap, I will give the third bottle.
okay.
What will be the result of first bottle? When I will get the result of first bottle milk? I feed rat at 8 o'clock. When I will
Okay.
get the result of first bottle?
At 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Second bottle?
7 o'clock.
Third bottle?
8 o'clock.
If the rat is alive up to 8 o'clock, then there is no need to, then the fourth bottle is poison and I can use these 3 bottles, right?
Yeah. Okay.
If the second bottle is poisoned, then the rat will die at 7 o'clock.
But he's in a cave. Where does he get from the timings, timer and everything?
He has a watch in his wristwatch. He has a wristwatch, okay?
Okay. Okay.
That is the logic, okay? What you have think a different logic. It is also perfect only. It is also very good
Okay.
logic, but you can uh, reduce the time, right? Here you can
Yeah.
within 12 hours you can get the result. 13 hours, I think. Within 13 hours you can get the result.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Your thinking process also is very nice, very good. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Practice today's programs. Okay. Practice today's programs. Okay. If you have any
Okay.
doubt, you can ask me. You can message me. You can send me a snap of that uh, errors, and you can ask me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That's all about today's class.
Okay. Thank you.